Hello, welcome to today's lesson about point-slope form and standard form. The first thing we're going to learn about is point-slope form. So the point-slope form equation is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 comma y1 is a point on the line. So let's look at the example down here. It says write an equation in point-slope form. So we have the m is 3. And a point on the line is 4, 6. So all we need to do is substitute these values into the point-slope form equation. So we can write y minus, and 6 right here is going to be the y1 value, equals m, which we know is 3 in this equation, times x minus x1, which in this equation is 4. So the final answer is y minus 6 equals 3 times x minus 4. Next, we're going to go over standard form. Let's come over here. And the standard form equation is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. In order to write in standard form, first write the equation in point-slope form, and then move all the variables to one side. So we need to convert the following equation into standard form. Y minus 3 equals 3 times x plus 2. So first, on the right side, let's use the distributive property. So we'll write y minus 3 equals 3x plus 6. So that's just using the distributive property. And now we want to move all variables to one side and then all numbers to one side. So we'll subtract 3x from both sides. So we have y minus 3x minus 3 equals 6. And then we'll add 3 to both sides. Y minus 3x equals 9. And that is the equation in standard form. Next, we'll move on to the sample problem. So the sample problem says, write an equation in both point-slope form and standard form, given the points are negative 4, 0 and 3, 2. So let's first write it in point-slope form. We need to find the slope first, and the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that equals, in this equation, 2 minus 0 over 3 minus 4. And 2 over 7. So we have, the slope is 2 over 7. Now we just need to use one point in the slope and plug it into the point-slope form equation. So we have y minus y1, which we'll use the point negative 4, 0, and that's going to be y minus 0, equals 2 over 7 times x minus negative 4. So now, simplified, the final answer is going to be y equal 2 over 7 times x plus 4. And that is the point-slope form. Now, to convert it to standard form, we have to use the distributive property first. So we have y equals 2 over 7x plus 8 over 7. And then we have to bring the variables to one side. So subtract 2 over 7x from both sides. And the final answer is y minus 2 over 7x equals 8 over 7. And that is the sample problem. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope you know all about point-slope form and standard form.